Have you ever wondered why, despite its groundbreaking technology, Bose suspension hasn't become mainstream in cars? Imagine a ride so smooth it feels like floating on air, but the car industry still hasn't fully embraced it. Today, we're diving into why Bose suspension remains a rare luxury and what's holding it back. 1. What is Bose suspension? Before we explore why it isn't widely used, we first need to understand what Bose suspension actually is. Developed by Bose Corporation, the same company famous for high-end audio systems, Bose Suspension is an active suspension system. Unlike conventional suspension, which relies on springs and shock absorbers to passively absorb bumps, Bose's system is dynamic, adaptive, and predictive. Bose Suspension works by using sensors on each wheel, electric motors, and sophisticated software algorithms to monitor and react to road conditions in real time. Essentially, the system detects bumps before the car even fully encounters them and adjusts the suspension to counteract them instantly. The result? A ride that feels almost surreal. Road imperfections, potholes, or uneven surfaces feel virtually non-existent. In technical terms, Bose suspension provides superior vibration isolation, which enhances comfort while maintaining stability and control. In short, it's not just a suspension, it's like a technology-driven cushion for your entire vehicle, elevating driving comfort to a level most traditional systems cannot match. 2. Advantages of Bose suspension. The benefits of Bose suspension are extraordinary, which makes its limited adoption even more surprising. Let's break down the advantages. Ultimate comfort. The system actively absorbs road vibrations and harshness, delivering a ride smoother than even high-end luxury sedans. Passengers experience minimal jolts, even on rough roads. Enhanced handling. Each wheel is controlled independently, improving cornering and vehicle stability. Unlike passive systems, Bose suspension ensures that the car remains level during turns, reducing body roll and enhancing safety. Reduced driver fatigue. On long drives, especially on highways or uneven surfaces, drivers feel less strain. The smoothness allows for longer trips without discomfort, making it ideal for luxury travel and chauffeur-driven cars. Noise reduction. The system also reduces vibrations that cause noise, creating a quieter cabin experience. Think of it as combining an active suspension and noise cancellation technology in one. Innovative engineering. Bose Suspension represents cutting-edge automotive engineering, showcasing how software and hardware can work together to improve ride quality. It's a glimpse of the future, where cars actively adjust themselves to enhance comfort automatically. If the technology is so advanced, why haven't manufacturers adopted it widely? Let's explore the main reasons. 3. High costs of implementation. The first and perhaps most significant barrier is cost. Bose suspension is expensive to design and integrate. Each system requires custom motors, sensors, and precise software, all of which add significant production costs. For example, while a traditional suspension might cost a few $100s per vehicle to manufacture, Bose's active system can cost tens of thousands of dollars. This increase directly affects the vehicle's price, making it prohibitive for mass-market cars. Moreover, unlike luxury audio systems, which can be added as optional packages, suspension is core to the vehicle's chassis. It cannot be retrofitted easily, meaning manufacturers would need to design the car from the ground up to integrate Bose suspension. This cost factor alone explains why only ultra-luxury or concept vehicles have been equipped with this technology. It's simply not feasible for most automakers to absorb the cost while keeping their cars competitively priced. 4. Complexity and maintenance challenges. The second challenge is complexity and maintenance. Traditional suspensions are mechanically simple and robust. They can last hundreds of thousands of kilometers with minimal maintenance. Bose suspension, on the other hand, is electronically sophisticated. It relies on multiple sensors, motors, and software algorithms working flawlessly in real time. If any component fails, ride quality can deteriorate, and repairs become costly and complicated. Potential issues include malfunctioning sensors that affect suspension performance, motor failures that are expensive to replace, software glitches that may require specialized diagnostic tools to fix. For manufacturers, this introduces risk. Cars with frequent suspension failures could damage brand reputation, especially in luxury markets where expectations are extremely high. 5. Integration challenges with existing vehicles. Bose Suspension cannot simply replace existing systems. Car manufacturers need to redesign the chassis to accommodate electric motors, actuators, and sensors. Integration challenges include weight distribution. Adding components changes the car's weight balance, which can affect handling and fuel efficiency. Safety systems, airbags, crumple zones, and traction control systems must be recalibrated to work with the active suspension. Software compatibility. Suspension software must communicate seamlessly with stability control, braking systems, and even autonomous driving features. These factors make retrofitting BOSE suspension into existing car models highly impractical, limiting its application to new vehicles designed from scratch for this technology. 6. Consumer awareness and demand. Even if manufacturers could overcome cost and technical hurdles, there's another problem: limited consumer awareness. Most car buyers are familiar with luxury features like premium audio, heated seats, or advanced infotainment systems. Active suspension technology, however, is less understood. Marketing Bose Suspension is challenging because consumers may not perceive the value compared to adaptive air or magnetic suspensions. Its benefits are difficult to showcase in a showroom without a real test drive over uneven roads. Some buyers may see it as over-engineered or unnecessary. Without strong demand, automakers are unlikely to make the investment, no matter how impressive the technology is. 7. Competing technologies. Bose Suspension is not the only option for luxury comfort. Automakers have developed adaptive air suspensions, magnetic ride control, and semi-active dampers, which provide comparable comfort at lower cost. Air suspension systems use compressed air to adjust ride height and stiffness, offering a soft, smooth ride. Magnetic suspensions use magneto-rheological fluid to adjust damping in milliseconds, providing a near-luxury experience. These alternatives are cheaper, easier to integrate, and reliable, making them more attractive to manufacturers. Essentially, BOSE suspension is competing with more practical, cost-effective solutions. 8. Future possibilities. Despite the hurdles, the future of BOSE suspension looks promising. With advances in electric vehicle technology, offering extra power for active systems, artificial intelligence and predictive algorithms, enabling better response to road conditions, economies of scale, reducing costs as production increases, we might eventually see BOSE or similar systems in everyday vehicles. Concept cars and high-end prototypes continue to showcase this technology, keeping it alive in the automotive innovation space. Automakers are likely waiting for a tipping point where the system is affordable, reliable, and recognized by consumers before making it mainstream. 9. Real-world examples. To put things in perspective, BOSE suspension has been tested in a few high-end vehicles and prototypes. Drivers report potholes and speed bumps virtually disappear. Vehicle stability is remarkable, even at high speeds. The cabin feels quieter, more refined, and almost floating. These examples highlight the incredible potential, yet they also underscore the rarity and exclusivity of the technology. Only a select few can experience it, which adds to its mystique. If you found this deep dive into BOSE suspension fascinating, hit the like button, share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into groundbreaking automotive technologies. Imagine the day when every car could make your ride feel like floating. Maybe that day isn't too far away.